does the Vice President feel about these proceedings now? This is the second time now.
Yes, second time now. The first time though was fast-track mode, no? Ayan yung nag-1/3 sila kaagad. But this is the first time na nagkaroon ng referral to the committee as
Because of the
against her.
Supreme Court ruling.
Because of the Supreme Court ruling. Of course, the Vice President already issued a statement saying that this is a third fishing expedition against her, actually, no? And that is what our position is, na kung magta-trial tayo, handa naman kami mag-trial sa Senado, 'di ba?
Yeah, doon sa Senado.
Doon sa Senado.
Hindi pwedeng dyan kay Luistro.
Oo. Because pagdating dito sa House, obviously, number one, we are questioning the fact that they cannot hold any form of trial, whether mini or whatever we call it. Basta trial, hindi pwede sa House. Pangalawa, medyo lumalampas na tayo sa, at least sa aming pananaw, lumalampas na tayo sa evaluation ng complaints. Pag kung ano-ano na ang mga dokumento outside the complaints ang hinihingi
Bakit
natin.
hindi na lang nila sabihin, sige na, sufficient na in substance, akyat na. We have now approved na ang impeachment, articles of impeachment, akyat na sa Senado para doon ang trial. Bakit pa gusto nila ng ganito-ganito?
Well, ayoko pong mag-speculate.
Dahil,
of course,
Atty.
I have my
Boa,
opinions.
gusto nila ng trial by public opinion. Alam nyo, masyado kayong matalino dyan, mas matalino kami sa inyo. We are 10 steps ahead of you. Alam na namin yung ginagawa nyo dyan sa Committee on Justice. Mamaya pati ako, ipakontempt nyo na. Kung hindi ba naman this is just all for show, bakit hindi na lang approve? Approve na articles of impeachment. Send it to the Senate. Doon na tayo mag-trial. Ready naman ang Vice President, di po ba?
We have no objections to that. Kung narinig na nga natin na may numero na, di ba? May mga statements na may numero na. That's why we're saying kung pinag-uusapan na pala ang numero ngayon at may numero na and they want to already elevate it to the Senate, wala kaming problema doon. Because there, we can fully defend the rights of the Vice President.
So there you have an opportunity.
We can test the credibility of these witnesses that they will produce.
One of them will be Madriaga?
Yes. Well, I suppose because he was also
who is in jail for kidnapping for ransom.
Yes. And
ano ba kayong mas magaling na na testigo dyan na hindi naman kidnapper? Ano ba kayo dyan? So, as Madriaga, who else will be their star witness?
Well, we don't know, no? We are still anticipating kung sino yung mga... But we have ideas. Siguro, wag muna naming ilabas yung mga ideas ng mga star witnesses nila. But, once we're there, we can test the credibility and we can show the Filipino people once and for all na walang basihan itong mga aligasyon nila laban sa ating Vice Presidente.